Children, today's video you will study about the joints because our full body is connected with joints and without joint we can't move our body a bit off. So this is the definition. The place where two or more bones meet in the skeleton is called a joint, like our wrist, knee, waist, and joints are very strong and so they can bear the jerk means any like accident tires, little bit accident, little bit sprain they can handle. And they all the bones are covered with the soft cartilage like a sheet of skin, and it works like a shock absorber means our joints or bones remain safe and they reduce the friction between the bones. And what are ligaments? Ligaments are the they can joints stretch bends like ligaments. Means the bones where two bones meet like this and this. So here ligament work. They connect or hold the bones. And in the body there are many types of joints. Mainly they are dependent on the movement. First is immovable means fixed. Second is slightly movable means very slow moving. Yeah, very little moving. And last third is freely movable means like our shoulder, like our head, neck, they are freely movable. Like our skull is in the skull except in lower jaw. Lower jaw means where our lower teeth are situated, only it can move, and rest of our body, rest of our skull, our is remain immovable. And like rib joints like ribs, हमारा जो rib cage होता, and the breastbone, our chest, the front piece of the body have little movement. So you can see this little movement when you do exercise. And most of the joint in human body freely moves. So they are different kinds. Like first one, ball and socket joints. In this joint, like this type, this is the ball, and here a ball is fitted. This one and this one. So yeah, they are just fit like this. And it is found in shoulder and our hips and allow movement in all direction. We can move our shoulder and hips in any sides. And they are finished with a bone, this one, like a ball. And first is hollow part like a bowl, and they were fit like this here. And ball and socket joint, the bones are turned in any direction. That's why you can move your shoulder in any direction. Okay. The next is hinge joint. Hinge joint, it works. You saw your door. A door moves with the help of this joint. So it is found in our elbow, in our knee, and in our finger. And they allow movement only in one direction. We can move only our finger in up and right, not more here and there. Okay, up and down and backward and forward. That's why only we move our finger left, right, up, down. And this is called hinge joint because it works in the door. Third is gliding joint or the saddle joint. It has had a very limited movement and it moves one bone over other bone, and both bones are flat. This bone is this type of joints is found where our wrist, between wrist and finger. You can see, yes, this is wrist, this is finger, between this like a two ice cube. Next is pivot joint. Our neck allows such type of movements in all direction, up, down, left, right, in rotation method also. One of the bone ends up in round motion. Look at this. The whole parts it move on the one single point, this one, and it is a conical surface like this, and fit is in into the fixed point, that is called dent in the other bone, and such point is called pivot joint. Pivot means किसी चीज के ऊपर फिट हो जाना, रख जाना. Okay, so these are the information about the joint and their movements.